How to make perfect gulab jamun with empty up premix. Really simple, quick and easy gulab jamun recipe made with empty up premix gulab. Prepare sugar syrup by boiling 800 grams sugar and 800 milliliters water. Boil for 5 minutes or until syrup turns sticky. Cover sugar syrup and keep aside. In a bowl add 180 grams empty gulab jamun mix. Add 1/4 cup water and mix gently to form the dough. Make a soft and smooth dough without over kneading. Grease a hand with ghee and prepare small ball-sized jamun. Make a soft and smooth dough without kneading. Grease a hand with ghee and prepare small ball-sized jamuns. Heat the oil ghee on medium flame, and when the oil ghee is more, fry the balls on low flame, stirring in between. Drop the fried gulab jamuns into the warm sugar syrup. Cover the lid and rest for 20 minutes. Finally, the empty gulab jamun has doubled in size. Serve warm with ice cream or cold. Thanks for watching.